Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a ladybug on a leaf. So let's get started. We're going to start by making our leaf first, and we'd like to make it really nice and big and pretty much filling up the whole piece of paper. So let's come down with a curved line and come up with a curved line that goes to a point. Now we have a space where our ladybug can sit. So to make a ladybug, we're just going to make a circle that's almost complete all the way around. Let me show you what I mean. When you're making your circle, you're going to go around like a regular circle, but before you completely close up your circle, you're going to stop. That's going to be the back side of our ladybug. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make a V here, and then you are going to make a straight line like this. This is going to be one wing of our ladybug, and this is going to be the other wing. Now let's close up this space. This is the ladybug's body right in here, and these are the ladybug's wings, like I just told you. For your ladybug's head, it's going to be an upside down letter U. And I like to put a couple of little eyes in here. So I'm going to make two curved lines and then some eyes. And then I'm just going to make some little antennas sticking out this way. It's kind of funny that it looks this way, but because it's a cartoon, you can do your antennas any way that you'd like. Some people like to make them out this way, and you might choose to do that as well. Now let's make some circles for her spots. And remember, if you make a circle on this side, you need to make a circle in the same spot on this side. This is called symmetrical. So I'm going to make another one here, here, maybe one here, here, and I think I'm going to put one more maybe about right here, right here. So I have 5 circles on this side and then 5 circles on this side. Let's put some little feet. This ladybug has 6 legs and feet. And now what we can do is we can put in a little bit more detail on our leaf now that we know where our ladybug is. So let's make a vein for our leaf. If you want to double that up, go ahead and do that. And then it will come out this way. And then if you'd like to make more like this, more little veins on your leaf, just to give it a little bit more detail. And then maybe even a stem down here. There you go, there's your ladybug. I hope that you had fun with this lesson. I'll see you next time.